Good morning everybody, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why your manifestations aren't working. Also, I want to give you guys a heads up. I'm sitting on my bed filming this video only because I'm actually sick and I look horrible because I'm sick. I just got the COVID-19 vaccine and I'm sort of facing the side effects. So yeah, bear with me, sit through the video, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Now, I know when your manifestations aren't working or when they're not becoming reality, it troubles you. You're always going to be thinking, why is it not working for me? Am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? And you have no idea why you are not able to manifest things into your life. Now, there are few reasons that may be happening. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys some of the few reasons why your manifestations aren't working and some of the main reasons why your manifestations aren't working or becoming reality, why your thoughts aren't becoming reality. So let's get into it. Number one, you don't believe in it. When I say you don't believe in it, I mean like you think you don't deserve it. Just because you tell yourself, hey, I deserve this, doesn't mean you actually believe that. For example, if I want to reach 500k, right, and I'm trying to manifest it, I need to believe that I deserve the 500k subscribers on my YouTube channel. I deserve it because I have been working hard. I do a lot of work and it really means a lot to me and blah 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 blah. I actually need to believe the fact that I deserve the 500k subscribers on YouTube, and that's how my manifestations are going to be my reality. If you don't believe what you're trying to manifest is something that you deserve, it's not going to be reality. Also, try this technique. Try to think of it as you deserve this particular thing and this particular thing deserves you. For example, if I'm trying to manifest 500k subscribers on YouTube, I believe that I deserve the 500k subscribers, and I believe the 500k subscribers deserve me. If you're trying to manifest money, you deserve this amount of money, and this amount of money deserves to be in your hands. Number two, you are not truly aligned. Now, if you're not truly aligned, now here's the thing, you need to match the energy that you are trying to manifest. So for all manifestations to work, you need to raise your own energetic frequency to tune in with higher vibration. For example, if you are trying to manifest happiness, self-love, and blah 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 blah, everything good, positive vibes, but you're still listening to sad music, if you're still crying over small things, if you still choose to let small tiny things affect your feelings, or you try to not control your anger and blah blah blah, yeah, those type of things do not align with the things that you want. So you need to match the energy of the things that you are trying to manifest. If you are trying to be happy, if you're trying to manifest happiness, self-love, peace, you need to start working on yourself as well, because your manifestations aren't just gonna come to you. You need to put in the work as well, and your energetic frequency needs to tune in with the things that you want. So, like the example I gave you before, if you're trying to manifest happiness, stop listening to sad music, stop watching sad movies, watch movies that make you happy, listen to music that makes you happy. Number three, you are not being specific enough. Now, I have spoken about this in my previous videos as well. You need to be very specific in what you want in detail. For example, let's say you're trying to manifest money. You need to think about the amount of money you want to manifest, how you want to manifest, what you are going to use this money on, how you're going to feel when you manifest this money, all of it. You cannot just meditate or visualize or script or any other manifestation method and just think, okay, I want to manifest money. It doesn't work that way. You need to be very specific. You can't just go to a restaurant and be like, hey, I want a pizza. It doesn't work that way. You need to tell what size pizza you want, what kind of pizza you want, what are the toppings that you want. You gotta be specific if you want something the way you want it. So take this as an example. Next time you're trying to manifest, be more specific. Think about all the details. Sometimes you may not be aware of the details yourself, so you need to figure that out, self-discovery, and try to be more detailed next time you try to manifest something. Number four, you are overly obsessed with it. That is desperate energy. Now, this works in real life as well. If you're desperate for something way too much, you're never going to get it. And it's the same thing when it comes to law of attraction. You cannot have that desperate energy when you're trying to manifest. You cannot be overly obsessed with what you're trying to manifest. For example, if you order something online, do you wait outside your door waiting for the package to come? No, you don't do that. You will do everything in your daily routine. You're not going to be worried about the package, like where is it, where is it, where is it? You're not worried about it. You're not thinking, is my package going to arrive? Is it going to come to me? Am I ever going to receive it? You're not thinking any of those things because you know that you placed the order, you paid for it, and you know that you are going to receive it. And that's the same energy you need to have when it comes to your manifestation. You need to release your intentions, your manifestations into the universe, because when you are desperate and when you are overly obsessed with your manifestations, it shows that you don't trust the universe, and trusting the universe plays a huge part in actually making your thoughts into reality. Holding on so tight to your manifestation and obsessing over it will only stop the flow of energy. Now, most guided meditation or many experts say you need to set and release, you need to let go of it. But some of us just obsess over it because you're always waiting, like, when is it gonna become reality? When is my manifestation going to work? It doesn't work that way, baby girl. Release it to the universe and believe in it. You're going to receive it. Just give it time. Number 5, you are not putting in the work. Just because you ask the universe for something doesn't mean that you shouldn't put in the work. You do have to put in the work. For example, if I want to reach 500k subscribers, if I don't post videos, or if I'm not consistent, or if I'm not putting in the work, I'm not going to be able to receive that manifestation. I gotta put in the work, and the universe is just a boost. You need to give the universe a way for it to give you what you want. You need to open like a small portal for it to give you a way for you to receive your manifestation. So when you're trying to manifest something, you also have to work on it. Like I said earlier, if you're trying to manifest happiness, you need to try to do things that doesn't make you sad. You need to try to do things that actually make you happy. Sometimes the things that you do don't really make you happy, but you could try, and someday you'll actually find true happiness in that particular thing. So you need to give the universe some space for it to actually come through, because if you shut the door and if you're not working on it, the universe has no way of giving what you have asked for. Number 6, right manifestation, wrong time. It happens often. Sometimes some things are just not meant for you at that time, so it may come to you after a very long time, or it might come sooner. You never know. But whatever you're trying to manifest, it's just not the right time. And the last one is something better is coming. Now, this is something that a lot of people don't like hearing. Something better is coming, but trust me, it has always worked for me and my friends. If your manifestation isn't working, that is probably because something better is waiting for you. Something better is gonna walk into your life. Now, a lot of people who are trying to manifest a boyfriend or ex-boyfriend to come back into their life, or blah 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 blah, most of the manifesting does not work because something better is going to come for you. For example, if you're trying to manifest your ex-boyfriend to come back into your life, the universe will probably not do that, but instead the universe will give you a man who will actually love you, or a partner that suits you, a partner who's good for you, a partner that you deserve, a partner that you want. So that is something better. So yeah, those are basically the reasons that your manifestation isn't working. I hope you found some closure. I hope you found your answer. And you just gotta be patient. Just be patient with your manifestations. Trust me, manifesting is really, really easy if you believe in it, especially, and if you believe that you deserve in it, and if you give the universe the time, and if you let the universe actually do its thing without obsessing over it, and all the things that I mentioned in this video. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what other law of attraction videos you guys would love to see, and I would love to make them. And if you haven't watched my previous law of attraction videos, please make sure you check them. I will link them in the description box below. They're also about law of attraction. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.